Start your own online digital business. I remember when I got laid off last year, end of May, feeling depressed and worrying about where my next paycheck is going to come from, where my next money, income, how I'm going to support my family and pay all the bills that I need to pay, rent and all that things. And I was searching for a product where not only will I be able to learn digital marketing, but also earn while I learn. What made it great is the system is automated. It's auto mail responder, a funnel system that's been set up. Just need to make a few little tweaks here and there, and a great community and with a lot of support. The training that you get is step-by-step videos, and it teaches you all about Facebook marketing, TikTok, Instagram, email marketing, faceless marketing, if that's you, and makes it easy to follow. There's a lot of extra bonuses added to the system, and depending on what level you come in, what you paid for is what you're going to earn back. So if you paid, let's say for instance, $300, every time you resell it, you get 100% profit, so you get $300 back, and you can resell it over and over again because you've got the master resale rights. So if you want to find out what I'm doing and learn a bit more about the system, just hit the link in my bio or come and show me and I'll get back to you.